Today, gagawa tayo ng sinigang na salmon. So, ito yung nabili ko kahapon na salmon. Ewan ko, siguro malinis na rin naman siya. At least cut na. Nakat na siya guys. So, hindi ko na ikakat. I-clean up ko na lang ang kanyang skin. Ayan. So, to be continue ang aking video sa aking pagluluto for today na sinigang na salmon. Gusto ko kasi medyo may mga gulay at medyo maasim-asim. So, ayan. So, magsisigang tayo ng salmon for today. Buti wala din siyang yung... Ay, ito madumi siya. Alisin ko yan. So, to be continue ang ating videos for today. So, I just like to show to everyone Sisus vlog is I'm going to cook some salmon fish for today. So, this is all the ingredients that I like to put on my menu for today. Actually, this menu is just like my own style. So, you guys understand it. So, you see, I cut some onion, ginger, some celery, of course, and the cabbage, the white cabbage, and of course I will put also some cherry tomato, and of course this sinigang mix is I just brought last time when I go vacation in my country, and until now I still have a few pieces to use. So I'm gonna use maybe half for today. Sinigang sa sinampalukan mix, diba? Nakakamiss din kasi yung mga ganyang food is also, especially in my country, that we always use it every season. Every time we cook some soup, so we use this kind of ingredients. Of course, I have also the fish. I marinated with black pepper and salt and some olive oil. I put it on there. So, you see, in my cooking today. So, I just put very light oil because I'm going to fry the ginger, the onion, and the rest of the ingredient. So, ayan guys, ang ating ginger, i-light fry lang natin siya para maglabas yung niya, flavor, at the same time, the taste. And then we will put the next, the onion. Ayan. Ganyan lang ako magluto guys. This is the only way I cook for myself. So, i-light fry natin ang ating onion and ginger all together. So, now I little fry the celery together with the onion and ginger. And I will put the rest of the ingredients a few minutes. And now, I add already all the ingredients. The white cabbage and of course the cherry tomato. And let's make it fry a little bit, and we will put some water and of course the rest of the ingredients, especially the fish. Nagaglab kali ako guys kasi ayoko minsan na napapaso ang kamay ko. My hand is a little bit burn. So sometimes when I do cooking, so I'm very careful about thing. So yan. Let's fry a little bit all these vegetables. And after that, we put some seasoning and the fish. The last ingredient that I will add is the fish because the salmon is very easy to cook. It's not difficult. So, ayan guys. Nailagay na natin ang ating fish. Kasi I think ma-overcook yung ating vegetable. So ayoko naman ma-overcook. Ang dami ko na atang nalinis. But anyway, okay. This is it guys. So see you later. Yan ang aking biniling salmon yesterday. Ang dami ko nailagay na black pepper. I put a lot of black pepper. But anyway, that's okay. Let's try the soup kung tama na yung lasa. Let's try the soup if all the ingredients are. The sour is just right. Yan. I think this is all. Kasi ayaw ko ma-overcook ang aking fish. I don't want to do overcook my fish. And of course, yan guys, may naka-ready na tayong aking red rice na niloto for today. So, yan. Kakain tayo ng masarap for today. And of course, this is for my videos for today's Sus Vlog Adventure Cooking. So, see you! So, ayan guys. I'm already done for my menu for today. So, I put already some rice on my plate. And this is for my lunch for today. And of course, my finished product of my sinigang na salmon for today. So, that's all guys. I will enjoy my lunch. And of course, I would like to say thank you to those who are always supporting my vlog for today. And of course, thank you also for always keep watching my videos. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Happy Sunday, happy meal, and I enjoy my lunch for today. So, thank you everyone. Once again, it's me, Sus Vlog Channel. So, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay tayo. Ayan, I enjoy my meal for today. Ciao. Bye-bye. Love you all. And, ayan, nagluto din ako ng, nag-boiled lang ako ng broccoli. Lagyan muna natin ng black salt. Kasi ako naman guys, sa salad or sa mga vegetable na direct kong kinakain, ang ginagamit ko this one, yung black salt siya. More healthy daw kasi. More healthy, yun ang sabi nila. And of course, sprinkle natin ng olive oil. So, ayan. Ano lang siya, half cook ng broccoli. Half cook ng broccoli. So, I enjoy my food for today.